Hey guys, this is Stepney. Welcome back to Train Spotting Part 2, Episode 1 / Urban Exploration Episode 2, Part 3. Now we got a VIA train coming down the line, super close. And there's gonna be one coming right now, which is at like 8:25, 8:30, and then another one coming at 9. And we put 2 coins on the tracks. Let's go over here. Here we go, guys. It's coming by.
Here it is.
Here we go.
See it? Can I go ahead and plug my ears?
I can't.
Wow. Oh yeah, shit.
No, let's back.
Yep.
Don't honk it.
My coin's gone. Yep. Alright, it's gone.
Alright,
Let's see if we can find our coins.
let's see.
Mine's gone. Mine's fucking gone. Where'd you put yours? Let's go. I found it.
Where's mine?
Where'd you put it?
Over here, let's see.
Holy shit.
It's dead.
Yeah, it's flat. It's a little bit flat. It made an imprint on the.
Well, guys, we lost our coin.
Oh,
No,
there
we
it is.
didn't.
Holy shit.
It's so hot.
Dude, let's do more. Let's do more.
Yeah, let's do a few more coins. Let's get off the tracks. Alright, man. That'll be good. Ben, let's stack. I'm stacking my dimes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stack.
I've got 1 dime and 1 nickel.
Okay, I'll grab the nickel.
Who wants it? Okay, you get the nickel, and here you can have the dime.
Alright.
Let's see the quarter. Oh wow! Look at that. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Might
You
put.
could say that you got a real train flattened.
Yeah. Alright. Alright. I'll put the dime back.
I can't believe how flat this is.
Alright, guys. Well, I have put my dime down. And. And Ben has put his nickel down. So anyways, we will see you guys in part 4. So that should be in about a half an hour. Alright.